Good morning children, how are you all? So today I am talking about plantation actually. So if you see the lifestyle what we are living nowadays is very different from olden days, because in olden days they used to have lot of space in front of their houses, okay, and they used to be very pleasant, and even they used to grow lot of plants around their houses. Whereas nowadays we are staying in such a place that everywhere it is covered with buildings and there is no place for gardening, okay. Whereas see why plantation is important, you know children, why? Because plants clean our air, is it or not? And even the oxygen what we are receiving, we get it from plants. Plants are called as producers. Why? Because they provide us so many things. Is it? The food what we are getting is from the plants only. And even if you see the plants, they hold the soil in a place. For example, see, if I try to pluck this plant, will it come easily? No. Why? Because the roots which are there, they are holding the soil in one place. So that's the reason, and we are when there is a like roadside, otherwise near our houses, we plant big trees. Why? Because whenever rain or wind is coming, the soil should not wash away from with that along with the water, otherwise wind, okay. So roots holds the soil in a place, and even it helps us to get so many food items. So what I am telling is, though we have small place, though we are staying in an apartment, we can do indoor gardening. So if you see, this is my house, so where I have kept some small pots. If you see, there are some are crotons, but some useful plants also there. For example, see, if you see, this is a ginger plant. Nowadays, because of virus, people are buying ginger, is it? So I have taken a ginger plant, where this is the small one. It's now growing. It's a just a seedling which is coming out, but it has been grown up little bigger. So today I am going to show how you should plant a tree, okay. So let's see children, from the wastage you can see, this is my ready-made pot, I got it, but if you have any waste like can type, otherwise any plastic container, what you have to do is, first of all, always remember that what are the requirements for germination children? The sunlight, water and air, is it or not children? So even the space also should be included, is it? So if you see this container, I just took it for example actually. So the container what you are keeping, it should be little bit spacious, okay. And always remember that, see, in ready-made we have big holes, okay. Why they are keeping holes in the this pot children? Why means, see, when we are pouring water, the excess water is there, it should come out, because if the excess of water is there in the soil means it may spoil the plant, okay. So that's the reason why I heated a iron rod and I kept a hole. So that's why now if you have a big container, you can take it and keep a hole. After that, you should always first lose the soil. What you are getting loose soil, you should you have to pour it in the pot, okay. So it should be like little soil you keep it. Then after that, what the sapling what you got it, you know that from the nursery we get the sapling, is it not? So if you see, so this is the sapling what I got it from the nursery. And always remember that the roots which are coming out, it has to go inside, means they should not be exposed outside, okay. So if you see, just fill it, and again you have to cover with some more soil. And watering also, see, we should not pour excess of water. Always remember how much it is required. See, as it is a small pot, you should take little water only. So daily, and by planting like this, Even this is a jasmine flower. It's my favorite, children. So if you see like this, whatever, like if you have wastage and even the old buckets what you use at home, after they break you can use it as a pot. Okay, so this is how you can maintain your surroundings clean and fresh. You feel pleasant. See, when you come out in the morning, if you see this all plants, is it not pleasant, children? So always try to plant trees, okay, because they are very useful to us. They are called as producers. Why? Because they are providing us oxygen and other food items also. Even see, children, I have sown some this is mustard seeds I have kept, and see, this is coriander. So just they are growing. So this is how you can maintain indoor garden in your small area also. Okay, children. So I hope everybody, on Monday I am going to see how you are doing taking the sampling, how you are going to plant a tree, or otherwise near your garden, otherwise indoor also you can do. So this activity everyone has to do, children. Okay, so it's our responsibility to keep our environment clean and healthy also. Okay, children. Thank you, children.